Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a subscribe button in Canva, which is very simple, to be honest. So I'm just gonna try insertion of templates, which is actually unimportant. But if you want to make it easier, yeah, just search the template, and then Canva should have some things for you. But let's start from scratch and just click on create a design on the top right corner of the screen here on Canva. Alright, I don't like this one, so we're gonna resize it because it seems like it's bad. So what's important is that the width should be like bigger than the height, of course, because like this is the YouTube button we're talking about. It's like a rectangular shape, right? So once we got the width out, we just need to maybe a subscribe button. No, let's start from scratch. Let's literally put a shape in that one. Let's click on search for rectangle and just search the shape that we want. Maybe this one. All right, so let's put it on our canvas now, and then just make sure, like, I don't know. Yeah, now let's turn it to the same color as our subscribe button on YouTube, and then just add a text. Put subscribe. Alright, so all you need to do now is just make it look like your subscribe button. So change it to white, obviously. It's like that's how a subscribe button should look like, right? Now it's actually starting to look like the same one as a subscribe button that we see on Facebook. And that's it. That's how you create a subscribe button on yourself by Canva. And now I'm just going to show you how to download it. Make sure you click on transparent background over here, but only if you have premium. If you don't, just download it, and I'll show you how you can have an easier alternative free way. And this is just by searching up background to transparent PNG, and just use this one, like remove that BG, and just upload the photo that we downloaded from Canva, and it should remove the white background and just replace it with a transparent one. That is how you create a subscribe button on Canva. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.